A donor does not have to be a separate record. A customer, a vendor, or a sponsor already in your books can each be flagged as a donor. We will do all three, in turn. First, a customer. From the CRM menu we open customers. We fill the customer in completely, every field, then flag it as a donor. The company name, contact person, email and phone. The tax identification number, the full address, the city and the postal zone. The currency, a credit limit, the payment terms, and the status. Now the key step. We turn on the donor switch. ZetaFisc asks us to confirm, because an entity can be a donor or a beneficiary, but never both, and it is fixed once gifts are recorded. We confirm and save. Second, a vendor. From the CRM menu we open vendors and add one. We fill the vendor in completely, every field. The name, contact person, email, phone, tax identification number and address. Then all of its bank details, the bank name, the account number, the account name, and the sort code. The payment terms and the status, then we flag it as a donor and confirm. Third, a sponsor, that is a business owner or director. From the CRM menu we open business owners and add one. We fill the sponsor in completely. The full name, position, email, phone and address. The nationality, the identification number, the tax identification number, the date appointed, the shareholding percentage, and the status. Then we flag the sponsor as a donor and confirm. Now, on a cash donation, each of the three is available under its own donor source. From the Donations menu we open Receive Cash Donation. Donor source, customers, there is Dangote Foundation. Donor source, vendors, there is Julius Berger. And donor source, directors and sponsors, there is Chief Adewale Johnson. A customer, a vendor and a sponsor, each flagged once and now selectable as the donor on any gift.